Hi guys, it's me Destiny again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about after the hurricane. Now, I know most people lost most of the value. Not most, a lot of people lost most of their valuable things. And, of course, the important things. And got what they possibly could. Now, I'm making this video because I need you viewers to tell me in the comments below if there are any places that's needed donation. You guys remember that they had shelters for people who house went underwater, of course, and got flooded. And there's still people in shelters that need donation. Now, viewers, if you guys know any places who need donation, hygiene products, clothing, you guys tell me in the comments below because I need to know. So, I will be making more videos upcoming, but I need you guys to tell me that most importantly. So, viewers, again, make sure you tell me that because I need to know. And my mom also, we're doing this because we want to help the people, of course. Anyways, I'll be making more videos upcoming. I actually might make a video after this one release. Again, might, depends. I go to school back on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, September 5th. So I had to look at that because, I don't pay attention to the calendar mostly. I need to start doing that from now on. But today is September 5th. Yesterday was Labor Day, I think. Anyways, yeah, tell me that in the comments below. And that's about it. So yeah, bye.